Have you ever wondered what separates the wealthy from everyone else? It's not just luck or inheritance, it's their mindset, habits, and strategies. Today, I'll reveal the secrets of how the rich build and maintain their wealth, secrets they don't want the rest of us to know. Listen carefully because this could change the way you think about money forever. The first secret is understanding the value of time. For the rich, time is their most valuable asset, more than money itself. They don't waste time on things that don't contribute to their goals. Instead, they invest their time in learning, networking, and creating opportunities. They delegate tasks that don't require their direct involvement, allowing them to focus on big picture decisions that drive their success. Another key secret is their ability to think long term. While most people are focused on instant gratification, the wealthy plan years, even decades ahead. They invest in assets that grow over time, like real estate, stocks, or businesses. They understand that the journey to wealth is not a sprint, but a marathon, and they are willing to delay immediate rewards for greater returns in the future. Wealthy people are also masters of financial discipline. They know how to control their spending even when they have millions in the bank. They live below their means and prioritize investments over luxury. They don't buy liabilities that drain their wealth, but instead focus on acquiring assets that generate income. For instance, instead of buying a flashy car right away, they invest in properties or businesses that can pay for that car in the future. Networking plays a huge role in their success. The saying, "Your network is your net worth," is especially true for the rich. They surround themselves with like-minded, ambitious individuals who inspire them to grow. They attend seminars, join exclusive clubs, and actively seek mentors who can guide them. This network not only provides opportunities, but also offers valuable advice and insights. Education is another critical factor. The rich never stop learning. They read books, attend workshops, and stay updated on market trends. This constant pursuit of knowledge gives them an edge over others. They understand the importance of being well informed, whether it's about the economy, technology, or personal development. Another secret is diversification. The wealthy never rely on a single source of income. They create multiple streams of income, ensuring that if one fails, others will support them. This could include investments in stocks, real estate, side businesses, or even royalties from intellectual properties. Diversification minimizes risks and maximizes opportunities for growth. One thing that often surprises people is how charitable the rich can be. But this isn't just about philanthropy. It's also a smart financial strategy. Donations can offer significant tax benefits while also building a positive public image. Beyond the financial benefits, giving back creates a sense of purpose and fulfillment, motivating them to achieve even more. The wealthy also excel at leveraging debt. Unlike the average person who sees debt as a burden, the rich use it as a tool. They borrow money to invest in opportunities that yield higher returns. For example, they might take a loan to purchase a property that generates rental income. This approach allows them to scale their investments without exhausting their cash reserves. One of the lesser-known secrets is their focus on health. While this may not seem directly related to wealth, it's crucial. The rich understand that good health is the foundation of a productive life. They invest in fitness, eat healthy, and prioritize mental well-being. A sharp mind and a healthy body allow them to perform at their peak and make better decisions. Finally, the rich are not afraid to take risks, but they do so intelligently. They don't make impulsive decisions. Instead, they analyze the pros and cons, calculate the potential returns, and prepare for possible setbacks. This calculated risk-taking is what often leads to significant breakthroughs and opportunities that others miss out on. To summarize, the secrets of the rich lie in their mindset, habits, and strategies. They value time, think long-term, practice financial discipline, and continuously educate themselves. They build strong networks, diversify their income, and use debt strategically. Their focus on health and willingness to take calculated risks further set them apart. The question is, Are you ready to adopt these habits and transform your life? Remember, wealth is not about how much money you make, but how you manage and grow it. The path to financial freedom starts with small, consistent changes in your mindset and actions. Start today, and who knows, you could be the next success story.